Hello everyone, this is Dolly from JD Live. Today I'm going to introduce a sun cream from Meikprem brand, this product. If you like our video, please give a thumbs up and subscribe to our new channel. First I'm going to introduce the package of the product, the abilities and the effects. In the end of the video, I will show how to use the product. Now let's start. Since it has an extra light lotion texture, the absorption is quite fast. Although, if you put on more skincare products right before this sun cream, the absorption will slow down a bit. Still, it will take just few minutes. The finish is not heavy or oily at all, instead it's really smooth and a little bit glowy. If you have a dry skin type, it is recommended to put on more skincare product before you use this sun cream. Other than that, if you use it alone, it has a quite good moisturizing skill. It has a really fresh citrus scent. Every time when I use this product, I just love it. I could never feel bored of it. So it's definitely a yes. However, it contains two kind of moderate concerned ingredients. They are only for the physical sun protection. They provide the extra high SPF50 PA+++++. Other than that, it contains zero unsafe, zero allergenic and zero high concern ingredient by the EWG. As a sun cream, it contains a lot of natural and active ingredients, altogether about 10. I gave 5 points for the texture, the finish, the scent and the safety. However, the absorption and the moisture is just 4 points, altogether it's 28. I hope you enjoyed the video. Now let's talk about how and when should you use this product. First, you need to cleanse your skin. After that, do the usual skincare steps. In the end, instead of the cream, you need to apply on the sun cream. And depends on you want to use some makeup or not. After the sun cream, you need to apply on the primer or the makeup base, and after that the foundation. But it's personal, it's up to you. The sun cream will give some tone-up effects, so if you don't have any skin troubles and you like the natural outlook, then maybe this sun cream is also enough. Now let's see how to use this product. My model is my husband. I'm not sure it's because of the genetics or because of the different food, but in Korea people do look much younger than people in America or Europe. I think the reason is also because they take care of their skin day by day and they protect it from the sun and they protect it from drying out. So in the morning and at night also they really moisturize their skin and use sunscreens, even really high protective sunscreens. For example, this one is SPF50 PA+++++. But in Korea, usually you can find this high SPF protection even in the primer, even in the foundation. So if you come to Korea or if you want to order some especially Korean foundation or any makeup product, you can see the sun protection in it. I hope you enjoyed the video. If so, please give a thumbs up and subscribe to our new channel, JD Live. See you next time!